Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to enable or disable the high text contrast or high contrast text on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the or disable the high contrast text on your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, go inside the setting or go to the accessibility. Click on the accessibility first, and then you have this option on the second option called high contrast text. And now you can see, if you just enable this, you can see the high contrast text has been changed. If you just turn this off, the text look changed. This is how it is actually experimental option. Future, you can just enable or disable from the accessibility option on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you have any comment out about the Xiaomi Google TV, just comment below. I will make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful